I'm Eric Singer, Gazette.com, here in this Ivy Wild costume store that's been here for decades. Now, these are just costumes, but there's a rich history in Ivy Wild you need to know about.
The building was built in 1904 by a Mr. Chalmers Maddox.
Linda Johnson bought it in 1983.
When I bought the business and the building from Lorraine Bergman and Phyllis Peterson, who are the mother and aunt of the character Elvira, the television character.
We're in a very special place on the globe, I think.
If only these ivy-wide buildings could talk, from South Tejon west to South 8th.
The connection with Chicago politics and John Bathhouse Coughlin.
We have collected documents, the deeds from Stratton to Chalmers Maddox, who built this neighborhood.
That's why Molly Mary and Linda Johnson teamed up to research, map out, and write Ivy Wild's history.
To realize that Chicago alderman had created sort of a double life coming out here to Colorado Springs, and that all started because he was involved with brothels and his brothel ladies, I guess I'll call them.
This picture of a typical Cheyenne camp, much that would have been like down here where Cheyenne Creek enters Fountain Creek.
Before Coughlin and other settlers,
prior to that, the Cheyenne Indians camped where Cheyenne Creek joins Fountain Creek to harvest the lodgepoles for their teepees.
From then to now, pages in a book, maps to be unraveled.
It's such an example of how a neighborhood that had been in decline can be brought back to life by honoring the old buildings and what had been built before.
And a new future to be written. With Side Street's reporter Bill Vogren, Eric Singer, Gazette.com.